holiday.
No, only
because it's
no.
statutory holiday.
Friday and Saturday I worked, and it just took forever those days. Like in the morning I was sitting at a freaking yard sale, in the afternoon I was working. And then on Sunday, went to Frank's work. I think all I had to eat was like ice cream, some McDonald's, and a baked all day.
Hey, what's wrong with that, man?
Okay, that was
what is wrong with that?
No, I'm not saying there's nothing wrong with that.
No, it's not. That didn't happen.
I had to go
until
all the way to
6 o'clock
Essex,
last
but I didn't have to pay for it. My buddy had like...
It's fucking crazy.
Okay, I got locked up in a trunk and beat up and almost knocked out. I'm not even freaking lying. We were so... We were all sitting there, we were like... We did like a matrix around Frank's car. We were like shooting each other, we were like... Boom, boom. I don't know why I opened the trunk. I opened the trunk and I go in the back and I'm like, somebody comes up behind me, he's like, pistol whip, bam, hits me on the back of the head. And they all,
seriously?
like, yeah, they all threw me in the trunk and shit. And I'm sitting there laying, and all of a sudden, like, I see the door hinge come swinging down, smokes me in the face, crushes my head between the back of the trunk and my head. I was like screaming. I was like, oh, you're hurting me. And they wouldn't open it. And then all of a sudden they floor it, and they went all the way to McDonald's. Next thing you know, I hear the back door open, and they hand me an ice cream. I was like, what the fuck is this? Is this like ransom or is it like, why are they giving me this? So I start eating it. And
please tell me you have this on tape, Steve.
It's gonna be awesome, okay. And then we drove all the way back to his site in Essex, his windmill site, where you're like just watching and stuff, and all of a sudden they're like, shh, be quiet now. And I was like, what? What's happening? And then I hear some guy talking, and I was like, I'm like, what if it's the cops? Holy shit.
Well, who was it?
I don't even know. And then all of a sudden they leave, and then they're like, oh, someone else is coming. And I was like, oh my god.
What do you mean, like random people are just like,
yeah, they're driving to the site. I don't know why. And they're like,
because they want to steal the windmills.
No, they don't.
That's why they have security at the windmills, so people don't steal.
Frank's mom is here. I was like, oh crap, what if she forgot something in the trunk? She would try and open it. No, they didn't know I was in the trunk.
No, did she know that you guys like?
No.
So I was gonna say, then you're kind of screwed. You're in the trunk. You're like.
Okay, so we wait for them to leave, and then all of a sudden they were like being quiet for a while, and I was like,
wait, were you still in the trunk?
Yes, I'm still in the trunk.
Why?
It's
don't
been
they
like
have
an hour.
things like you bling like
no,
and then you just like just hop out?
No, both door opening parts is in the inside and back trunk, and then anyway, and then they're like, shh, be quiet. I was like, what again? What's going on? And then all of a sudden all I hear is some guy like, hey, what are you doing, guys? And then they're like talking and mumbling and shit. I was like, why are they so quiet? I was like trying to listen, and then he's like, sorry, you're gonna have to pop your trunk. I was like, oh my god, oh my god. So they freaking, I hear them pop it, and I'm like holding on to it, and then they all go back and they rip it up, and I was like, oh my god. And it's them sitting there. I was like, holy shit.
They were just like joking around.
Yeah. I was like, oh my god, what is going on? And they're like, oh, we forgot about you, and then decided to scare you. I was like, what? Who else was here? I don't know. Some guy wanted to check out the windmills, and then my mom was here. I was like, what?
And that was yesterday?
Yeah. No, Sunday. And then yesterday I had to work all day again.
Well, that sounded like a great weekend. Just saying.
Only one day, man.
Just saying. That's
out of 4. Like, what? I could have done so much better.
No. That one
I got paid
made up for like the whole
Instead of everybody moving up here, do you think we should move the desks this way so you can like write your note from your desk?
We should make our own new.
We should move up here. What?
We should have desks.
We should make our own desks.
Yeah. I don't like this idea.
We can either shift these desks like up to.
It's like we're constantly in a circle.
I don't like it. It's like pretty much you're saying get to the desks and make another circle on the other side.
What do you say? Do you say move the desks or no?
Yeah, move the desks. We should rearrange them and then have the back for other stuff.
Well, let the back.
Get to it, Aaron.
Pardon? We have to move them back again? No, I think we should just move the desks up.
I say let's do this.
Like, how are we going to do this?
I don't know, this is interesting though. I'm having fun.
Oh, we're just shifting?
No, not shifting, it's completely moving.
No, we're shifting. She just said we're shifting. Well, then how would we still do that? Because we'd still be facing this way, and then we'd still have to turn this way, and we would still have nothing to write on.